and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys a lot of details about our new house. Even before I get started, I'm sure there are so many questions. In case you've missed my previous video wherein I shared with you guys that I bought a house, I'm gonna make sure to leave a link in the description box below so that you guys can go and check that out. Now that house is separate. That house is on rent. We're not touching that house. We're not redecorating it. We're not going to be staying in there. It's an investment property. However, the house that I'm talking about to you guys today is my parents' house. It's our family home of sorts. And it's finally ready. It's been under construction for a minute. We finally gotten the possession and we have started getting work done and building our dream house. Now I really need your help. I want you guys to suggest a name for this home series because I know ये सिर्फ एक वीडियो नहीं होने वाला है. It will be multiple videos wherein I'm going to share with you guys the entire progress and all the details of like how we're going about it, home decor and all of that. So please comments में छोड़ देना what I should be calling this series. I think it only makes sense to start the video with an empty house tour so that you guys can see for yourself what it looks like. Almost like a before, you can get a good idea of the before. It's a 3 BHK in Mumbai. Mumbai standards से ये बहुत spacious है and it will be the biggest house that I will ever be staying in. So I'm very excited, very stoked. Oh, एक warning by the way, ये video थोड़ा सा chaotic होगा because these are like clips from different time durations and it's a progress, right? So thoda sa chaotic hoga, bear with me. So having said all of that, let's get started with today's video. To the empty house tour, this is the door and as we walk पीछे ये छोटा सा passageway, अब हमें exactly पता नहीं है क्या होने वाला है, so I don't know what to give you like details. मेरे रूम में मैं proper details दूंगी, but basically ये hall है. We have walked into the hall. I'm assuming यहाँ पे TV आने वाला है and then here we have the balcony. Come on, I'll show you what it looks like. So अभी बारिश हो रही है, so everything is very wet and mucky, but we're hoping to transform this balcony into something really cute. And as we walk out from the balcony, I'm assuming this is going to be like the sofa area, and then this is the dining area right here. इसके पीछे है kitchen. Let me quickly show you what the kitchen looks like. Very dark right now, but it's a pretty like decent sized kitchen I would say. So more about the kitchen. Initially मैंने सोच के रखा था कि we'll do an open kitchen concept where we'll break this wall and have like an island. और sample flat में उसमें they had put mirrors and then they had a really nice marble 8-seater dining table. So I'm kind of trying to recreate that and in my head it looks really nice. So I'm going to let go of the thought of an open kitchen for now. Let me take you guys through the 3 bedrooms. So this is the passageway that we have. Let's go to this bedroom. Welcome to my room. This is the most exciting room for me obviously. So I have a lot of plans regarding this room. I'll break it down for you. Come on in. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that we're on quite a height above the 35th floor. Let's just say that. So the view is really pretty. We're not going to show you the view because it might reveal my location. But let's quickly break down this room. Let's start with this corner. I'm not going to be keeping a wardrobe in my room because most probably मेरा studio मैं ये building में ले लूँगी या तो it's not too far basically my studio, so I'm not going to keep my clothes here, but we are going to keep a chest of drawers here so that I can keep my loungewear and clothes and stuff like that for a day-to-day basis here. यहाँ पे we're going to keep my dressing table. जो मेरा first ever dressing table था ना bulbs वाला, वो वाला we're going to try to recreate here. And then here we have the bathroom which we are gonna completely break down and make it new. So ये wall ये पूरा निकल जाएगा. Most probably we're gonna extend it till here. And in the bathroom it's very dark right now, but in the bathroom tiles change होगी completely. एक bathtub लगेगा hopefully if it fits. Very excited about the bathroom more than anything. Then moving on to the area right behind me. So ये वाला जो area है यहाँ पे मेरा bed आने वाला है. मेरे पास एक बहुत unique idea है मेरे bed के लिए, which I'm not going to reveal right now because I don't know if it will even happen. But if it does, it's going to look super cool. It's going to be a nice big bed, very comfy, very homey type of vibe. And मैं सोच रही हूँ maybe मैं projector भी लगाऊंगी. I don't know. We'll see. But that's basically the situation for my room. I'm actually still not sure कि क्या color scheme होने वाली है मेरे room की. I have no idea, but this is the layout of the room. Let's move on to the next room. So यहाँ पे to my left is mom dad का room. To the back is going to be my nana's room, and then this is the powder bathroom. Let's start with my mom dad's room. This is a master bedroom. It's slightly bigger than my bedroom. थोड़ा सा एक passage area है यहाँ पे. And then this is what it looks like. I actually don't know यहाँ पे क्या होने वाला है. थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ें मुझे पता है, बट कुछ स्पेसिफिक नहीं है, तो बता के कुछ मतलब नहीं है ऑनेस्टली. क्वाइट स्पेशियस मुंबई स्टैंडर्ड से. यहाँ पे बाथरूम है, अगेन वेरी स्टैंडर्ड. ऑनेस्टली द टाइल्स दैट देव गिवन बोथ ऑन द फ्लोर एंड इन द बाथरूम्स इज क्वाइट नाइस, बट वील प्रॉबेबली नॉट बी यूजिंग दैम. एटलीस्ट बाथरूम्स में फ्लोरिंग हम चेंज नहीं कर रहे बिकॉज इट्स इटालियन मार्बल. I want to change it, to be very honest, but I think we're not gonna. Let's go to the last room, which is right here. This room is actually a little bit sad for me because this was supposed to be my nani and nana's dono ka room. Of course, she's not here. She would have been so excited. This was actually one of the main reasons why we got this house, so that all of us can stay together. But nonetheless, my nana's here and this is going to be my nana's room. He specifically asked that it should be white. It should be very clean, very minimalistic. So we're going to stick to those protocols. Yeah, but this is what it looks like. He actually has the best view. We can see the pool, the different amenities जो भी है वो सारे दिखते हैं नाना के रूम से. But yeah, this is what the last room looks like. So we just got done shooting the room tour. House tour, sorry. Rachit सारे B-rolls ले रहा है for Instagram, reels, all of that. And we were just, I think Aditya was chatting with all of our friends and they were like, oh, तुम लोगों को चाबी मिल गई है, तो why are we not invited? They were like, आ जाओ, आना है तो, and they're actually coming to see it right now. So I'll capture their true reaction on what they think about this place. I think they should be here any minute. Welcome. Honest reactions, please. जोरदार. नानी देख रहा, सब जाके देख के आ गया. I'm back to show you guys a little bit of an update. बहुत echo है obviously, but lighting is amazing here, so I'm very very happy about that. This is the update. They've completely toned down the kitchen wall. वहाँ पे था kitchen wall. There's going to be a door here, a U-shaped door. वो side door था. We've moved the door to here. I so wish that we did an open kitchen because it's making it look so big. But it's okay. We have to stick to the plan. तो मेरे room में तो कुछ भी update नहीं हुआ है. सिर्फ taping and all of that they've done. But they've toned down the bathroom entirely because we're changing all the tiles here. In the meanwhile, this is what is happening. Already using the utilities.
Butt out करके.
Hi guys, checking in after a while. So I think last what you guys have seen is that kitchen टूट गया है, wall टूट गया है, मेरे bathroom की tiles टूट गई है, and अभी थोड़ा सा progress है. So I'm gonna walk you guys through more updates and also more things that we've decided on decor wise. I feel like now I can give you guys a better idea as to what our vision is for the house. So let's start with the doors. So all the doors in the house are going to be like a U. There are going to be no like square doors. All of them are going to be U other than the main door. So excited to see what it looks like. ये मुझे कब से चाहिए था. And when I told my mom about this idea, she was all in and I'm so glad that we agreed on this point. उसके अलावा हमारे kitchen का 3D ready है. So I think I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. It's actually very basic, to be very honest. ऐसा कुछ बहुत अलग नहीं है kitchen में. I really like the marble backsplash that we're doing. We're doing a marble on the counter and also carrying that at the backsplash like a full one thing. White marble मेरे लिए बहुत important था. I hate brown granite, black granite. And thankfully again my mom was okay with it. So we're going with like a blue, very light blue theme for our kitchen. In fact our entire house is blues and greens, very calming. Maybe my room is going to be a little bit bold, but other than that the rest of the house is going to be very like light and open and airy. That's the vibe that our family is going for. So living room में honestly हमारा कुछ भी decide नहीं हुआ है अभी तक. But one thing, I feel like I'm spilling too much in the first video itself, but I'm very excited about this, so I'll tell you guys. We're planning on doing like a round dining table instead of like a regular square rectangle dining table. We're doing like a kind of like a breakfast nook almost. I have a reference image, so of course I'll pop it up for you guys. But yeah, that is what we are doing. उसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं डिसाइडेड है, सिर्फ ये एक चीज है डिसाइडेड फॉर द लिविंग रूम. सो आई थॉट आई वुड शेयर इट विथ यू गाइज. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट माई रूम, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू माई रूम बिकॉज आई फील लाइक दैट इज वॉट आई एम मोस्ट इन्वेस्टेड इन एंड आई फील लाइक यू गाइज आर ऑल्सो प्रॉबेबली मोस्ट इन्वेस्टेड इन दैट. आई एम नॉट गोना रिवील मच डिटेल्स. मेरे पास मेरे रूम की 3D आ गई है एक दो, एंड वन पार्ट ऑफ इट लुक्स अमेजिंग, सो आई एम नॉट गोना शेयर दैट. But I'll share with you guys my bathroom references. I'll do that, like my inspo almost of sorts. This is my inspo. Initially I wanted to go for a very loud bathroom, but मुझे सबने समझाया कि bathroom को थोड़ा calm रखो. That's a place that you're going to unwind almost. So let's keep it very muted and classic. So that's what I'm going for. Very black and white golden theme. Oh my god, golden से मुझे याद आया, golden hardware फिक्स क्या बोलते हैं उसको, फिटिंग्स, गोल्डन फिटिंग्स ढूंढने में मुझे इतना प्रॉब्लम हुआ. आई वेंट टू दिस वन स्टोर इन मलाड आई बिलीव, और अंधेरी, वन और द अदर, and I was recommended that place by I believe my interior designer. I went there, loved the fittings. Guess what the price was for those fittings? It was, if I'm not wrong, एक fitting 6 लाख की थी और एक 3.5 lakhs की थी, and that is not my budget whatsoever. फिर मैंने stories डाली Instagram पे, मुझे बहुत सारे leads मिले. Finally, I found one guy who is doing all of my fittings because I needed that rose gold vintage fittings, and मुझे मिल गई है फिटिंग्स. मैं मेरे फिटिंग्स का फोटो वो भी पॉप कर दूंगी सो दैट यू गाइस कैन सी व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. इट वाज एक्सपेंसिव, ये वाले फिटिंग्स भी काफी महंगे थे. आई थिंक आई एंडेड अप पेइंग समथिंग on the lines of 95,000 to 1 lakh rupees for all the fittings, the shower, the hand shower, the tap, my sink ka tap, my flush plate, my jet spray, all of that. It's very expensive. I've been made aware by my parents that I'm spending too much on my bathroom. अभी तक तो बाथटब का सीन निकला नहीं है, अभी तक मुझे अप्रूवल नहीं आया मेरे बाथटब पे. सो हमारे बिल्डिंग में हमें अप्रूवल लेना पड़ता है, मुझे अभी तक क्लियरेंस नहीं मिला है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना वेट फॉर इट, बट आई नो दैट्स ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी एन एक्सपेंसिव अफेयर. ओवरऑल माई बाथरूम इज गोइंग टू बी expensive. Okay, coming back to my room. So for my room, I initially wanted to do like a step up situation, like where there are stairs to my bed, but to be very honest, my room is too small to be able to execute something like that, and I was made aware of that by my interior pehle hi. He shared with me a 3D which I not a fan of, to be very honest. So that is not the idea that we're going ahead with. But guys, I think that is basically it with all the updates, or at least the updates that I could give you. Up tomorrow I'm gonna go visit the site, so I'll share with you guys more clips of what it looks like currently. I think the kitchen is halfway done. और क्या हुआ एक्चुअली मुझे खुद को भी नहीं पता है, मुझे जाके देखना पड़ेगा. आई एम नॉट श्योर. कल जाते हैं. Let's see the update. Okay, so there's quite a lot of progress in the kitchen. Side की पूरी tiles लग चुकी है, and also the marble is fully done, and I think it looks great. I love this marble and it just really uplifts the kitchen. As for my bedroom, मेरे bathroom की tiles लग गई है, which I am actually really happy about the way it looks. उसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है, सिर्फ tiles ही लगी है. Civil work चल रहा है, so I mean you can't really see that much of a progress in general क्या हो रहा है, but there are a lot of things that are happening. AC ka bhi piping has begun, but honestly those are the only kind of updates that I have for you guys. And that was part 1 of our dash series. I don't know what we're calling it, so please make sure that you leave it in the comments down below. And I'm heading out for an event right now, but I'm so excited to show you guys the progress and how we're going ahead with things, and also to get your guys' opinion as to how everything is going. So please let me know in the comments down below what you thought about all the updates so far. And that's basically it. I'll see you guys in my next video.